heading out to hook up with my daughter and do some sightseeing. So hopefully it's gonna be a good day and maybe we'll see something. So stay tuned. And baby Cakes is driving. Oh, she's pointing the red in the right direction.
Yeah.
Okay, we're heading to Driftwood.
Yeah.
I'll say that one, it's easier.
I can't say the word. Cinnamahoning, Pennsylvania.
Yeah, that's where she is, about a little over an hour and a half away. That's where they wanted to stay at an Airbnb, so they came to visit yesterday, and now we're gonna go visit them and take them around beautiful PA. Stay tuned. Yeah, a little view. Well, it's a little hazy today, so we can't see a lot. This is a shot of Red Bank River. Yeah, nice and windy. Just trying to get some videos. Yay. Yeah. Okay, another shot of the river. And if you look across it, they got a campground and there's a caboose. Okay. So, glad you can come along with us on the ride, but like I said, we're in red today, not blue 2. So we're in red 1.
Yeah. People don't know who Red 1 is, it's a truck.
Yeah, that's our truck. But it's a beautiful day. Woo-hoo! Beautiful road. Yep, we're on 555. It's nice up here. What do we got?
All that over there.
Oh, all that over there. I don't know if we can get that over there.
Watch your window.
Yeah.
There it is.
There, yep. I think we had that on the bike, and I think I said I'd hate to cut that hill.
Yeah.
Sorry for the bumpiness. We're using the cell phone. We're not using the GoPro. And the cell phone doesn't have the stabilizer on it. So we're doing the best we can. So stay tuned for more, and don't forget to subscribe, because we are in red 1. Blue 2 is in the garage. It's resting.
Nah.
Maybe tomorrow. Take it out. It's supposed to be another beautiful day tomorrow. So stay tuned. Yeah. We got a wall in front of us. That's called a mountain. Oh boy. This is awesome. And we're in the valley, so we're looking for the green giant now.
Elk.
An elk. Hey, elk, elk, elk. I have to teach the kids how to call elk.
Especially Aiden.
Aiden's gonna love that. But we'll have to get it on video. I'll have to have Rita take the video of me showing them how to do it. There's a trick to it. So stay tuned and you can learn how to call elk. Welcome to Driftwood.
In 1,000 feet, Turn right.
See, we got to turn right. This is the heart of endless mountains.
There's Papa and his family. Beautiful falls. Okay, we're going to the elk wildlife viewing area, and I hope you enjoyed the falls. And yeah, we got kind of looking for a tower, and it ended up on private property, so we had to turn around, and of course no internet or phone connection, so we had to wing it coming out through the dirt roads. Poor Red is dusty. So I think we're coming up to the viewing area right around in here. Right here. Okay. Here we go. Hope we see some elk. Okay, here we are at the elk viewing area. And as usual, there's nothing to be seen. But it's a good day. You never know. It was told they come out at one of the other viewing areas. It was like about 7:30 they come out. We're trying to find something. Smile, dear. Smile, everyone. You're not staying out. I'll get you. We already got you singing with your elk call.
Wasn't
Ready? You're going to have to call them out. Put your hands like this, hold them together, and you got to spread them. Like, they look like the things. You go like this. Ready? Come on. You do it together. Just put your hands like that. And open them up. That way it looks like the antlers. And you go like this. Ready? And you go. Elk, 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 elk. Okay, we stopped at this viewing area. And nothing yet. But this is the one they said there was going to be there was stuff yesterday about 7:30. There's some elk out here. Yep. We got another viewing area they can check out. I'll zoom it in really. There's a turkey vulture right in the middle there, right in front of that pole.
even way up there, it's like
Beautiful.
So-
Too bad it's a little hazy. Well, we had a beautiful day today with Bonnie, Adrian, and the kids. Me and kids. And now we're heading home. Ooh, bouncy, bouncy. And hey, we didn't see any elk.
No elk.
No elk.
Again.
So, but we enjoyed the day, spending it with family.
Yes.
Okay, and I hope you enjoyed this video and subscribe so you don't miss anything. And stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.